October 19th, 1864. Battle of Cedar Creek. We were up before day and moved off at the sound of the guns. Our battery was in position on the right of the valley pike, near the creek, supporting Ramseur's infantry division. The fog was thick as pea soup, and the Yanks were caught flat-footed, some still in their tents, shaving or cooking breakfast, when Gordon's men hit them from the flank. We opened with solid shot and shell on their camps, and it was beautiful to see the bluecoats scattering like quail, wagons rolling, horses bolting, and artillery pieces abandoned in the rush. By 8 o'clock we'd captured over 20 guns and 1,000 prisoners, and the whole line was falling back toward Middletown. Our boys were whooping and hollering, thinking it was another Winchester, but hunger got the better of discipline. Men broke ranks to loot coffee, bacon, and fresh beef from the Yankee camps. I grabbed a loaf of bread and some hardtack myself. Hadn't tasted anything like it in weeks. General Early rode by, looking pleased as punch, but he halted the advance to reform the lines. We sat there till noon, shells bursting overhead from their retreating batteries, but holding the field. The afternoon turned sour fast. Around 1 o'clock, word came that Sheridan had ridden in from Winchester like the devil himself, rallying those broken divisions with his Irish blarney. "Boys, we're not whipped yet," or some such. By 4, their whole line came on again, fresh troops pouring in from the north, with Custer's cavalry lapping our flanks like wolves. Our position crumbled under the weight. Infantry falling back in disorder, horses shot from under the caissons, and us limbering up to retreat while canister whistled past. Lost 2 guns in the creek ford, and poor Jim from our section took a mini-ball through the thigh. We fell back 5 miles to Fisher's Hill under cover of dark, the road choked with ambulances and stragglers. It's a bitter pill after such a fine morning. The valley's slipping away, and whispers say this might be our last stand here. God help the cause if Sheridan keeps up this pace. William J. Black, Confederate Artilleryman.